Hey, are you looking for life-saving hacks or jewelry hacks? Or have you ever faced a problem, the side chain of your blouse which was stuck at the very wrong moment? Then you have clicked on the right video. So I'm gonna reveal those 7 hacks which should be known to every girl, every bride, every bridesmaid, which is gonna help you in the very last situation. If you want to know more, continue watching. Who are we? We are BlingBag, your one-stop jewelry destination in India to provide you 50 plus different jewelry color options to choose from for every possible occasion you name. Our job is to make your job easy, and let's get started with today's video. So without making you further wait, let's get started with the very first hack. So the very first hack is blouse chain. I'm sure every girl out there must have struggled with the side chains of the blouse, and it all happens at the very last moment. Don't worry, I have also been there. I have faced the same situation. I've got a perfect hack. So whenever your chain is stuck on the side blouse or any chain, basically it could be your denim chain, your dress chain, I got this one hack which is gonna save your time and life. So we are going to use a candle and we are going to rub the candle on the chain area. Chain can easily be done. Wasn't this hack wonderful? So every time now you struggle with the side chain of your blouse, you need to carry a candle. It could be a small mini one. You can carry it in your handbag for the rescue. Hack number 2. If you're not ready to get your ears pierced or your nose pierced but want something which is temporary and fun just to change your look, you should definitely try out these diamond bindis. They come to your rescue. I'm gonna show you how. So this is how. So I really wanted to change my look, but I don't want to get a piercing done. So I used a diamond bindi right here. So it gives me a very good look. Of course, you can try this with reception looks. And if you're attending somebody's wedding, this is a fun thing to do. Oh, and one more extra hack I'm gonna give you. In case if you're worried about it falling it off, carry a eyelash glue. Eyelash glue are safe on skin. Do not use Fevikwik or Fevisticks. And you never got the opportunity to get your ears pierced or you were never sure about it, but you want to do something with them to give them a fun look, here's how you can use the diamond bindi. All you have to do is stick a diamond bindi here or here, anywhere you like, and it is gonna give you a piercing like look. Also, do not forget to use the lash glue so it stays for a longer time. Next hack is about the maangtika. If you're a bride or a bridesmaid and you don't want to stop dancing, this maangtika won't stop moving. I've got a hack for you. All you need is an eyelash glue and a bindi. So I'm gonna take a bindi. I'm gonna apply over here, and I'm gonna apply an eyelash glue over it and cover it on the maangtika and press it hard and push this a little back so that it gets stuck properly, and now it's safe and secure. Also, please note this hack only works with small maangtikas and not the very huge one. Hack number 4. Do you also often struggle getting the bangles off from your hand and it leaves a red mark? And we don't want that, right? So I've got an amazing hack for you. For that, all you need is a moisturizer or an oil. Take a little moisturizer, rub it on your hands, then try to get the bangle off, and it comes off very easily. Isn't this hack amazing? Hack number 5. So are you someone like me who loves rings but then you don't get the appropriate size for your rings, but then you anyhow want to get that ring but it is a size loose and you want to wear it? I've got a perfect hack for you. You can wear this ring by making it your size. You want to know how? A perfect hack. All we need is a thread. What we need to do is wrap this thread around the rings. Yeah, it does takes a little time, but then the wait is worth it. And if you're done, it is gonna look something like this. And now we have made the space clear, and if you wear this, it is gonna fit you perfectly. Do try this hack. Hack number 6. I'm sure you must have struggled wearing bangles, but don't worry, I've got you. When you struggle wearing bangles, it leaves like red scratches on your hand, but don't worry. All you need is a plastic. Just get your hands inside the plastic and wear your bangle from the top. It slides in very easily. Now you can wear bangles without any scratches. Moving on to the very last hack, and this one is a savior. No matter how much we keep our jewelry safe or in boxes, we always end up losing the earring stopper. So I've got one solution for you. You can use this in case of emergency. All you would need is an eraser. Now we need to cut this eraser in a small piece to make it an earring stopper. So I cut that eraser in a very small piece, and now I'm gonna show you how you can wear it. So as you can see right here, this works great as a stopper and nobody would ever know. So that's all for today's video. I hope this jewelry fashion hacks were useful to you guys. Now you're gonna share this video with your girlfriends so that it saves them a big time. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button right next to it so every time we upload a video you get notified. Do not forget to follow us on our social media handles and we would see you in our next one. Bye.